wet, guys. Too wet. Probably can't hear it too much because you guys got the water case on. We're on the causeway. Jet ski vibes, man. Feels good. About to get tuned.
I know. I'm gonna put this one.
Shout out my label, that's me. I'm in this bitch with TB. I'm in this bitch with 4 tray. I just pulled up me a 8. 500 racks in my safe. 500 racks to the plug.
Grab my phone right quick. We tried going like a different direction. It was getting kind of scary because like you see light patches, then it gets dark again. So I don't know if like we getting real close to the ground or whatnot. So it's kind of scary.
We gotta Google it.
Something we gotta learn, you know.
Here we go.
What is going on, y'all? It is your boy Rich. As you can tell, we are in the car driving. So hopefully you can hear me well. You're on the GoPro because we're just on the fly right now. I just figured we should start a vlog now. We are going to Leadfoot City, place drift platform, performance events kind of thing, and Falcon invited us. So yeah, we're just gonna check it out, enjoy the 4th of July. So happy 4th of July, guys. This video is gonna come down somewhere down the line, but happy 4th of July. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, enjoyed your night, stayed safe, didn't get hurt, or at least not too much. Not looking too hot. The rain's picking up. You can see all the water getting kicked up over there. I don't have my fender wells, the plastics. How is it prepared? Flushing up over there.
God. Alright. At the light, use the left 2 lanes to merge onto State Road 589 North.
Definitely got to install my plastic fender wells again, especially if I'm going to be fucking driving it. Basically 5 minutes away, and as you can tell, it doesn't look like it's clearing up too well. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm sure as hell not taking out my camera equipment in the dead like pouring rain. So I don't know, man. I got a GoPro. I guess we'll see. Hopefully it clears up eventually. Or at least the rain just stops. going on side streets and stuff, those are the kind of puddles I'd be nervous for. That's more in the corner because obviously it's all like dipped down into that little, you know, section. But
That's still a turn.
still, that shit fucking, that's just scary. It's like a swamp almost that I ran through. What I ran through was worse though. My old car.
They're putting the cones out now.
This sucks, man. Like, I can't catch a break with things, but hopefully it's good. Pretty cool.
Thank you.
Good. Thanks, guys. Going into a little private more section. Shout out to Falcon, bruh.
Damn, still on, rain or shine.
As you could tell, we're just parked up, chilling right here. Yeah, try not to get completely soaked.
Yeah, this is great.
Probably not. The water's wet, guys. Too wet. We were chilling in there for quite a while. Probably for like 2 hours. Yeah, it's supposed to be like, you know, some live band thing and just like some fireworks. Let's just check out this area first. Look around real quick.
A special event that's going to be happening.
Cool little area. Little car shit happening. Little drinks. As you guys can tell, you know, just a bunch of shit going on. Bunch of shit. You guys could probably barely see.
Please, let's make some noise. We're about to do the countdown. 4th of July, Leadfoot City. Here we go. Everybody count together. 5, 4, 3.
Somewhere right there, I guess.
2, 1.
Stand over here. That's wild. Pretty sick.
The plan. That's nice.
Thank you for visiting. This place was sick. I know you guys probably can't see me.
Now you can.
Yeah, honestly, it was an awesome event. Really, really cool. Shout out to Falcon for inviting us, man, because honestly, we probably wouldn't really done shit for 4th of July, so definitely, man, thankful.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see.